What's up, road warriors? If you are tired of packed campgrounds and overpriced RV resorts, this episode is for you. Today we are taking a ride through 5 hidden gems RV camping spots right here in Maryland with quiet beaches, forest trails, and even a casino boondock you didn't know you needed. So gas up, plug in, and let's hit the road right here on Hanging with the Hazes.
What's happening, y'all? Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Thank Funky Skunk for bringing us in with that wonderful introduction. And y'all did not hit play in order to hear me talk, so let's jump right in and get started. Let's kick things off with Elk Neck State Park up in Cecil County. This spot is a beautiful blend of forest and waterfront, giving you the best of both worlds. The Northeast Loop offers RV electric hookups nestled in the trees, and it's quiet, like really peaceful. But what makes this place stand out is the Turkey Point Lighthouse Trail. It's an easy hike with a huge payoff. Stunning cliffside views of the Chesapeake Bay. You're not gonna find crowds here like you would at some of the more well-known parks, which makes it ideal for RVers looking to unwind and actually hear the birds. Whether you're into photography, hiking, or just sitting by the fire with a good book, Elk Neck is one of those places where you immediately feel like you can breathe deeper. If beach camping is your vibe, Breezy Point Beach and Campground down in Calvert County is a hidden gem you'll want to keep in your back pocket. It's got RV sites with water and electric. They are just steps away from the Chesapeake Bay. You can fall asleep to the sound of the waves and wake up with a sunrise right over the water. No filter needed. There's a sandy beach, a crabbing pier, and even enough space to feel like you're on vacation, even if it's just a couple hours from home. The energy here is super chill, and it doesn't get slammed like the bigger coastal spots. So if you're looking for a low-key coastal camping experience where your biggest decision is whether just to go swimming or take a nap in the sun, this right here is your place. All right, family, if you've never heard of Jane Island State Park, let me put you on right now. It's in Crisfield on Maryland's Eastern Shore, and it's one of the most peaceful, underrated RV destinations in the state. The campground has water and electric hookups, so you've got your basics covered. But the real magic happens once you hit that water. This place has over 30 miles of water trails that cut through the pristine salt marshes. You can kayak out on your own, listen to me now, own stretch of untouched beach. Yes, your own beach that just exists out there where nothing but birds, breeze, and peace live. It's the kind of place where you lose track of time in the best way. Perfect for folks who love quiet, solitude, and nature's beauty with a little bit of adventure. Jane Island State Park. Now, if you're anywhere near DC metro area and you need a quick escape without sacrificing your RV hookups, Lil Bennett Campground in Clarksburg is calling your name. Full hookups, water, electric, sewer, the whole deal. But the real win here is how it makes you feel when you feel like you're out in the middle of nowhere, even though you are just a stone's throw away from the Beltway. The campground wooded sites are big, well-spaced, and shaded. There are over 20 miles of hiking and equestrian trails, plus a nature center and even historic wagon trail. It's family friendly, solo travel friendly, and just one of those solid spots that never gets too crowded. It's that perfect balance of convenience and calming weather. Last but not least, I'm going to switch it up a little bit with something a little bit different. We talking about Live Casino and Hotel in Hanover. Now, this is one for the road warriors who aren't afraid to break the rules of traditional camping. Live offers free overnight parking in designated areas. It's dry camping, so no hookups, but you get in 24/7 security, a well-lit light, and access to restaurants, bars, entertainment, and of course, that casino with them one-armed bandits. It's a great overnight stop if you're just passing through or want a little nightlife after a day's adventure. Grab a bite, see a show, hit the slots, and crash in your RV without having to leave the property. It's the kind of boondocking spot that makes you rethink what an RV stay can look like. Well, folks, you've heard it. That's my top 5 in the state of Maryland as far as camping goes. top 5 campgrounds in the state of Maryland. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and keep hanging out with us because we're going to keep giving you updates into the 2026 year. We're going to let you know where to stay, where to camp, where the happenings is. So make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you so much, and we out of here.
Thank you so much for tuning in. Please make sure that you like and subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. Hanging with the Hazers.